When it comes to mystery boxes, YouTubers and content creators usually buy the 1,000 to 10,000 peso mystery boxes from Lazada and a bunch of other sites to unbox them for the channel. I did a 50,000 peso one, which is around $1,000, and I wanted to level that up. So for today, this is a 100,000 peso tech gadget mystery box from PoundIt. Let's go! Quick reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we are giving away Yeezy power banks as well as a Nike tactical backpack. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let me start off by saying that this is not an April Fool's Day joke because I did upload it on April 1st. This is real, this is legit, and we will be unboxing it and checking out all the contents of this mystery box. To start things off, we have our off-white toolkit, so diba? And we have our off-white X-Acto knife to be able to open this box up. Let's go. Cut once. So just like before, guys, I will be pulling out the items one by one from the box, and then at the very end of the video, we will tally the value of the items and compare it to the price point that we paid for the mystery box. We did pay like 100,000 pesos for it, or $2,000. So hopefully it should be much more than that. So let's get started. So first up, oh, by the way, I put the box down here because it's just too big. If I put it on my desk, it'll block out the screen. So first up, we have this item. I have no idea what this is. Oh, well, that's not a bad start. We have the Nintendo Switch. So here you have it, one of the hottest gaming consoles that you guys can get today. It is in the $100,000, $2,000 PoundIt mystery box. That is sick. At least we're getting legit stuff and not like stupid, useless items that are really more for shock value than they are for actual use and utility. So this one is a very good find. I've actually been thinking of buying a Nintendo Switch for a while now, so it's really nice that it came with the mystery box. This is definitely one item that I will end up using. Let's keep going. We have a smaller package this time around. Maybe a smartphone, or maybe I don't know, like speakers. So let's just find out what it is. This is a really nice box. So next up, we have the Amazon Fire TV. Wow, this is putting up a fight. I mean, come on. Yeah, here you go. A little more. There you go. So this is the Amazon Fire TV with 4K capabilities and Alexa voice remote. So here you guys have it. Definitely one of the nicer smart TV options that you guys can pick up, especially if you have an Amazon Prime account, which you should be able to get, and you should be able to watch like a lot of great shows on that one. And this is a really nice addition to the box. Again, you have the Amazon Fire TV with 4K and Alexa voice remote. Boom. Let's pull another one from the box. Okay, probably a camera. Oh yeah, it's a camera. So let's just, yeah, it is. This is the FujiFilm Instax, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just strip this off. We have the FujiFilm Instax Mini 9 with 30 sheets of film package in it. So there you have it. It is like a FujiFilm Instax pack. So you don't have to buy the film separately. You have everything that you need here. It does come in color blue. So I see it over here. Definitely a nice addition. I'm not that much of an Instax person, to be honest. I'm more into like, you know, keeping the video or the photos in my phone and then not really printing them out. But my wife loves this, so this will probably go to the wife. Let's keep going, guys. So we have another small box, probably a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. I'm always thinking that it is a Bluetooth speaker because that's what I keep getting with the previous mystery boxes that we unboxed from PoundIt in the last few weeks. So let's just take this out. This definitely isn't a Bluetooth. Oh, boom, guys. We have the Realme C1 smartphone, one of the most bang for your buck smartphones that you guys can pick up for a little over $100 or 5,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Definitely great value for money. If you guys are looking for a smartphone that's less than 6,000 pesos, this is the one definitely that you guys should consider if you are looking to buy one. So again, the Realme C1 smartphone. What the? The next package is massive. Wow, what is this? Oh, it's from Xiaomi. So this is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. And I'm actually very happy that this is included in the box. Why? I live in a condo. We have 5 cats. I have allergic rhinitis. My wife also has bad allergies, both to our cats and the air that comes from all the construction that's happening here in Green Hills, where I live. So I've been meaning to buy another air purifier. Wow, this is really timely. So I'm not sure if PoundIt is like stalking my IG account and my Facebook to see what I actually need. But so far, they've been on point. I got the Nintendo Switch. I got the air purifier. 2 really good items that I've had my eye on for a while now. So this one will definitely go to good use. So we have the Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. Guys, looking at the box, we still have around 4 or 5 more items, 3 small ones and 1 very big item. I will save the biggest item for the last part of the video. So let's continue. Next up, we have what? Oh, is this a Blu-ray? Anyway, let's just flip it open and take a look at what's inside. This is, oh, it's not the Blu-ray. This is actually the Kindle Paperwhite. So this is a great, fantastic reading tool if you're into books and you have an Amazon account and you want to, read a lot of stuff in one like device versus like carrying around so many books. And at the same time, you don't have to suffer the glare that you usually get with the iPad or your phone. Definitely best friend of people who love to read books. By the way, quick tip, when I was young, I really was a voracious reader. And up to today, I try to read at least 1 book a month. I haven't been able to consistently do that anymore. Probably I read like a book once every 3 months. But I would definitely love to get back into book reading. And this is a nice way to be able to kickstart that habit once again. So again, we have the Kindle Paperwhite. This is one of the thinner and lighter. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is the waterproof version of the Kindle. Definitely another great addition to the mystery box. 2 more items before we get to the big item. We have another small package here. Again, with that carton wrapping, which is something that PoundIt has been doing with most of their items in their mystery boxes. So next up, we have, oh yeah, you cannot have a mystery box without a friggin' power bank. So this is the Romos 20,000 milliampere power bank. So that's definitely a lot of energy and a lot of battery to carry with you. I think with the way that smartphones, the battery life just degrading over time, having a power bank is necessary. And you can never have too much power banks, especially when people, borrow your power bank and they never actually return it. So may hugot. So I just can't count the number of power banks that I've lost because people would borrow them and never actually return them. But anyway, my hair is all over the place. But anyway, guys, sorry. That's the reason why I actually wear caps during vlogs. It's because so I don't have to keep fixing my hair. But anyway, you have the Romos 20,000 milliampere power bank. Ta-da! The smallest package in the bunch. This is from Geekery. So it does have that Geekery logo there. I think this is like the homegrown brand of PoundIt. So let's just take a look at what's inside. We have, it's a USB-C. Oh, now this one I will definitely use. To those who use like MacBooks, especially the newer models, we don't actually have a USB port. The USB 3.0 port. We just have a USB-C port. Now, what is inside this package is a USB-C dongle, which allows you to connect it to your MacBook or to your device, and then it already has 2 USB slots and an HDMI slot. Definitely a nice addition to the mystery box. Finally, we get to the last item inside this box. And this, boom, looks like, yeah. This is a laptop. So we do have a laptop inside the mystery box, which also comes with some sort of like backpack. I think it's like the HP, wow, yeah, it's an HP backpack that comes together with the laptop. So let's take a look at what the laptop is. This one I will unbox right now. So guys, now usually I don't unbox all the items because it takes up so much time, but I will be doing it for this laptop because I just want to make sure that it is a laptop and there's not just like a bunch of rocks inside this box. So let's take a look at what's inside this laptop box. Ooh. I did not expect this at all. Guys, we ended up getting the HP Pavilion X360 convertible laptop. You have that aluminum casing at the top and at the bottom, that nice HP logo, minimal branding, very sleek, very modern, very nice. You have that really gorgeous hinge. You have all the ports along the side. Man, this is a really good laptop. I will be putting the specs down below because it will just take too much time, you know, babbling them all out. But if I'm not mistaken, based on my initial research from way back, or at least when I first heard about this laptop, this should be selling at around 50,000 pesos here in the Philippines, roughly $1,000. So that's definitely a great addition to the mystery box that will pump up the total tally of the items that we've seen so far inside it. So we pretty much emptied out the entire tech mystery box, the 100,000 peso, $2,000 mystery box from PoundIt. And at this point, I'd like to tally the value of everything that we were able to get from the box. I wrote it down on this piece of paper just so it's easier to do this. So first up, we have the Realme C1 smartphone. This one they're selling on their site for 5,785 pesos, or a little over $110. Next up, we have the Geekery Hub C, and that one sells for 1,490 pesos, roughly $29. Next, we have the HP X60 laptop. This one, guys, sells for, I got it right, this one sells for 59,669 pesos. So that's roughly what? A little over $1,200. Then we have the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. This is the 2018 edition, and this one sells for 8,719 pesos. Next, we have the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with Alexa voice remote. This one sells for a little less than 5,000 pesos, 4,982 to be exact. Then we have the one that I'm really excited to use. You'd think I'd be excited about the laptop, right? But no, I am really excited about not even the Nintendo Switch. I am excited about the Mi Air Purifier 2S. That is the Tito and me so happy. But anyway, that one sells for 6,660 pesos. Then of course we have the Nintendo Switch, which sells a little over 17,000 pesos on the website of PoundIt, 17,120 pesos to be exact. Then we have the Romos Sense 6 power bank that sells for 1,060 pesos, roughly around, I don't know, $20. And lastly, we have the FujiFilm Instax Mini 9 film package, which sells for 4,155 pesos, leading us to the grand total, if I add everything up, to 109,640 pesos. So in short, we paid 100,000 pesos and we were able to get 109,640 pesos in value. So win. Guys, please take note that while the overall value is way higher than the amount that I actually paid for, it's not actually advisable for a lot of you to go out and buy mystery boxes because, for example, not everything in this box I actually need. So I do this stuff of content, this type of content, really for this vlog and for entertainment. So, but at the same time, if I find anything I can use, then well and good. If not, at least this vlog, this channel still makes money to be able to pay for the boxes that I feature on the channel. So I just want to put that out there. So don't go crazy and start buying like mystery boxes just because I feature it on this channel. Now, I wanted to extend the love to you guys, so I reached out to PoundIt because my first video that I did, the 50,000 peso unboxing, actually racked up over 200,000 views on YouTube. So I told them, hey guys, please give my community, please give my viewers something so that they can partake of this fun. So this is what they did, and this is something special for you all. You guys can get 1,000 pesos off your next gadget purchase from their site as long as it's at least 10,000 pesos if you click the link down below and you use the code OPLE1K. So that's 1,000 pesos off your next gadget purchase from poundit.com. Check it out, enjoy it, and I hope you guys buy something that you actually need and not just want. And lastly, I just got a text from my wife saying that she already has an Instax. So what to do with this one? What to do with this one? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You know it. It's a giveaway. So how to win? Number one, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to hit the notification bell. You have to follow me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram can be found down below. You also have to, well, let's show PoundIt some love, guys, because I mean, come on, they did give you like 1,000 pesos off your next purchase from them. So please follow them also on Instagram. I will put the links down below. But if you don't have Instagram, you can follow them also on Facebook. And lastly, leave a comment down below with your IG handle, sharing with us what it is that you would want to buy from PoundIt. Just check their site and pick whatever it is that you want to buy and just share it down below. I will draw the winner this Sunday, so that's a full 7 days before we find out who the winner is. And that wraps up our vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please make sure to check out my entire Singapore vlog series. I did like a sneaker shopping guide for Singapore. I will put the link down below to that pinned on the comment section as well as the description box. I hope you all have a great week ahead. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.